Tony and we're back with another bang video. Today you'll be cooking with me again, but today it's something different on the menu and actually something special. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, so I have my onion over here, my seasoning, cutting up, over the tomato, the cabbage, and of course the bacon that is frying. Now let's get started. So start with the onion. Yeah, just like this. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you guys what's on the menu for today. It's actually cabbage with bacon strips in there, like cabbage bacon strips, but yeah, and rice. Still on the onion, trying to move faster. I'll show them the bacon again. Come on. So, bacon. Still frying. Still frying. Just make it now fry a little more, so let's do a little more in there. Yeah. Doing the scallion. In the meantime, so I'm gonna call you back, guys, when I'm finished. Starting there. So I went ahead before you guys, put in the cabbage, the tomato, put in the rest of the cabbage in the pot. Stirring it up right around. I want the cabbage on the top to go down. Get some butter is in there. There you go. Continue stirring. After the bottom come up, and there you go. Yeah, so cut it up and it's ready. Put in my powder seasoning in there. Yeah, that's it. Stir in the powder seasoning, the butter, the bacon, seasoning, everything. And time. Smell real nice. Okay, I don't cook it. Add in salt, then stir again. So I don't have it add everything one time. Add something, then stir, then add another. So it can just stir one time. Yep. And that's it. Looks so nice. Rice on. Yep. And that's putting the butter in there, stirring it. Add it. Guys, I'm gonna add my black pepper now. Ow! It burned me. Anyways, yep. Tell you guys that this is going to look nice. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Oh, so guys, we're gonna start on the rice. What do you hear? Nice. There. Yep. So just make it on steam or because something. If any continue, I put in back. As you guys see the process already. So when you're ready, come back to you guys. Love you. And guys, this is the outcome of it, and now we're going to taste. Yeah, just really nice. So yeah, this is actually the one Jamaican dish too. The one I really do the bacon and the cabbage and rice. But anyways, again, try this at home. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm coming back with the next video. Bye.